This is the Apple iPhone 7, and the question is this phone worth it in 2020? Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to SL Premium, and also welcome to the iPhone 7 review in 2020. The iPhone 7 was released back in 2016 and came with 5 different color options, including the special edition Jet Black. The iPhone 7 had 2GB of RAM and up to 256GB of storage. In 2020, I would recommend you guys to go for at least 128GB of storage, as 32GB isn't really going to cut it. So the first thing you guys might wonder about is, how is the battery life in 2020? Well, I actually bought a refurbished model with 100% battery capacity, so I can't really speak for all those who are buying it used. But in my testing, with 100% battery life, you can probably expect around 6 hours of screen on time, and in my usage scenario, it was using the camera a little bit, going on YouTube, Instagram, pretty light use other than the camera, which does suck a lot of battery, so just keep that in mind. If you're thinking about buying one of these phones in 2020, I would suggest you get the iPhone 7 Plus or buy a new iPhone 7, or at least a refurbished one, because the battery life is really important. Anyways, one of my most favorite features about this iPhone 7 is that the Touch ID is blazingly fast. You pretty much just rest your finger on the home button and then it just instantly unlocks. I'm so glad that the iPhone 9 or SE 2020 still has this Touch ID feature. And my least favorite feature of this phone is that it has no headphone jack. So if you're thinking of buying this phone, make sure you guys buy an adapter or wear Bluetooth headphones. But on the bright side, the iPhone 7 actually has a dual speaker system, so you get a little bit better speakers. So on the back of the phone, you have one camera, since this is the iPhone 7, not 7 Plus. Speaking of cameras, let's go ahead and look at some photos and videos of the iPhone 7. In the daytime, there's plenty of light and the iPhone 7 has no problems at all. As you can see here, all the shots are pretty crisp, and even digitally zooming in isn't that bad. The iPhone 7 supports 4K 30fps capture with 240fps 720p slow motion. The iPhone 7 camera has optical image stabilization, which basically makes all your footage super smooth. The very obvious weakness of the iPhone 7's camera is night photography. Apple did not port their latest night sight features into the older iPhones, so the iPhone is just stuck with grainy images. And the next thing I want to talk about is speed. This iPhone is definitely no slouch even in 2020. It opens up any app pretty much instantly, and if not, it's still pretty responsive and is very reliable. And basically that's all the review I have for you. If you're wondering about the price, it costs about $150 on Amazon refurbished, or if you want to hunt on eBay, you can probably get one for around $100. Make sure you guys subscribe before you leave a like, and I'll see you guys later. Peace out.